If you're serious about sewing with power and precision, your foot control needs to keep up. Today, we're showing you how the Sailrite WorkerB foot control with heel rest brings ergonomic comfort, better control, and rock-solid stability to your sewing setup. This is not your standard foot pedal. The WorkerB foot control features a removable heel rest for added comfort during long sewing sessions, making it more ergonomic and customizable to your sewing experience.
It's true, I sewed 100,000 stitches in one sitting and I used the new foot pedal to do it, and it made a big difference.
But that's not all. The upgraded design ensures the pedal won't slide around, even on slick surfaces. And if you like to stand and sew, the new pedal is a must-have. With an expanded range of motion, the WorkerB foot control gives you more precise speed control. That means smoother starts, better stitch accuracy, and less foot fatigue. Want to take it even further? The optional fixing plate lets you bolt the foot control directly to your Sailrite table stand, creating a treadle-like setup that stays in place permanently. It's compatible with both the Ultrafeed industrial table and the Ultrafeed compact table, making this a must-have upgrade for serious DIYers. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time maker, the new WorkerB foot control gives you the comfort, control, and stability you need to improve your sewing experience. You can find it and the compatible fixing plate right now at Sailrite.com.